Yo, what's up, boys? We're about to go on a fucking ride right now, but make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to see more content like this and more content regarding my other bike, the Razor RSF 650, which is double the power of this one. Hell yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, man, I simply do not want to bore you with any of that bullshit reviewing before I go on a ride. Like, come on. I'm gonna show you what this bike is like riding it, and you get my reaction to riding it, because this thing is so insane. I can't even explain. Honestly, watching the video probably doesn't even explain it enough, but yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Let's turn this puppy on. NB power, yes sir. And then let's get up to, I don't know, 3 maybe. I'll put it in 5 eventually. Let's go for the first official review. I already kind of broke it, but fixed it. It's gonna rain in about 10 minutes. I just got this new hydraulic brake on it. It's a front one, but I just put it on the right because I'm too lazy to hop the line and rebleed to drive by my old high school. Oh, this front brake is amazing, dude. Down some back roads. Someone's kind of following me. Gotta be careful with only the front brake. Look, as you can probably tell by the video, there's a lot of death wobbles. But if you know anything about a bicycle, bro, you can just keep going, bro. It's not even a fucking worry. It doesn't weigh enough to alert the lights, it looks like. So I'm just gonna have to go when it feels right. Very unfortunate use of my time. I think I'm just gonna turn this way. Kind of get it going again. That's a nice ass office chair, low-key. Ugh, dirty as nuts. Dirty ass crap. Woo! Holy fuck, bro. This thing is insane. I would be very concerned about doing this. Now, bro, this fucking hydro brake is so good. It's a Shimano brake as well. You see how I'm keeping up with traffic, bro? Like, ain't no one give a shit. We got some packages in the road. Some bullshit right there. Oh yeah, it's about to rain soon, but I don't know how soon. Holy fuck, dude, this thing is quick. It almost, bro, it feels like it's almost gonna throw me off once I hit like 30 miles an hour. Look at that fucking brake too. Holy shit, it's so good. I aligned it so nicely too. Whew. Oh, the light's about to turn for us. Oh yeah. It's starting to cool down a lot. I think that the rain is about to hit. So here is the bike all on its own. As you can see, I have no rear back brake right now because the fucking thing I ordered doesn't fit. It hits the motor, so I'm gonna have to get something else. Back in here, there is a tiny motor wire. You're gonna wanna make sure this is nowhere near these bolts because they will actually start to unscrew themselves on their own if you don't use like blue thread locker. So I definitely recommend that, but that's really the only issue that I've had with it at all. I have nothing on this side yet. I need to get that all fixed up. This is the front brake. I just turned it upside down because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna re-bleed these fucking things yet. But this front hydraulic brake is just freaking amazing, dude. Like, it works so good. And I have these Tektro rotors on it so they can get really hot. And these are some Shimano hydro brakes. I have this little horn, pretty loud. The bike is an NB Power, not sponsored, but this company is super awesome. They helped me when my wire got frayed a little bit and it stopped working. It was making a weird sound. They helped me fix that, so props to them. It has 5 modes. 5 does 60, 4 does about 50, 3 does like 40, 2 does 30, and then 1 does 20. 0 doesn't do anything. It does have an alarm as well. It has a key system, so here if I turn it off, you'll hear that go off in a second. This is the big battery right here. Gotta make sure that these are kind of hidden away. There it goes. Want to kind of make sure those are hidden away. It has the same charger as a Razor as well. Not the same cord, obviously, but same plug design. Yeah, this thing is really legit, honestly. Oh yeah, and I got the freaking tires. But yeah, this thing is freaking legit. If you're looking for a cheap electric bike kit, this is definitely the way to go. Honestly, best bang for your buck. This right now is still under $1,500 for the bike, for the everything. Subscribe.